Good evening, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Ziggy's Workshop. Today we're going to be talking about workshop lighting. I have a two-car garage as my workshop, and in the shop originally there was just two light bulb light fixtures up in the ceiling. My first upgrade to the lighting was to install one of these, I call them UFO LED lights. They're about 6,500 watts each, and when you light them up, they're fairly bright. But if you're looking down here, or when I'm working on a workbench, I have a lot of shadowing. So I needed a solution to brighten it up in here. While I move over to turn the new lights on, if you could take a moment to like and subscribe to our videos, it would be a great help to us, and I hope that you would like our suggestions, our videos, and maybe you can get notifications when new ones come out. So I'm going to start turning on these lights, and what these are 5,000 lumen LED lights that I picked up at a discount store called Ollie's. My son actually found them, and they were really, really inexpensive. And when I mean inexpensive, I mean $10 a piece. These lights are made by a company called Farpoint. This is not a sponsored video. I bought these on my own. I can't even find the Farpoint lights anywhere other than at that Ollie's discount store. To be honest with you, I did not have a lot of faith in the lights. This empty box weighs about the same as the light fixture in the ceiling. The light fixtures are plastic with an LED strip down the center of them. There's little plastic clips to hook them into screws in the ceiling. But here at Ziggy's Workshop, I try to find items that will do the job and not spend a fortune on it. The next cheapest lights that I could find in this 5,000 lumens fixture would be like the Harbor Freight, and those are $17 or $18 a piece for the single bulb fixtures. At $10 a piece, I felt it not a bad idea to give them a try, and if they last a couple of years, I'm ahead of the game. I kind of like the way they work. They're on pull strings. I can turn one or all of them on or off, and I think that they do the job. So the UFO lights are a little bit more expensive. I think they were $30 for the pair, something on that order. $10 each for these lights. I got more light in this shop than I know what to do with now. No more shadows when I'm trying to lay things out here, or on my table saw, or on the radial arm saw. And I think it might be a good find for you in your shop. They're linkable. You need one outlet. You can put up to 4 of the lights in a series. I happen to have 2 lights running off of each of these fixtures. At 0.07 amps each. All 4 lights on are drawing less than 1 amp. I think they're great. If you happen to stumble across them, give them a try for your shop. Please take the time, if you liked our video, to like and subscribe. If you do come across these lights, have fun with your project of installing them. As always, thank you and have a great night.